Happy birthday po, Papa. Thank you po sa lahat. And I wish all the best for you. Ingat po kayo palagi dyan. Stay healthy and more birthday to come po. Enjoy your day. I love you, Papa.
Happy special day pa to you. I wish the weather is always comfortable, customers are always easy to deal with, and the food is always yummy. To the sweet husband and our loving father, I wish you happy birthday and more chickens to come. Tapos may tumatakbong itik oh. Love you, have fun, bye-bye. Tira niyo ko lechon.
Hi po, Papa. Happy birthday po. Thank you po sa lahat ng mga ginagawa niyo para sa amin. And sorry din po kung ano man po yung nagagawa ko na hindi niyo po nagugustuhan. Pa, mag-ingat po kayo palagi dyan kung saan man po kayo mapunta. Sana po makauwi na kayo. I love you, Papa. I miss you so much.
Hi, Tito. Happy birthday po. Love you po. Stay safe po dyan.
Hello, Tol. Happy 50th birthday. Kaluguran na ka. Sana lumak katapag yun. Pero kung niyabi ang katapag, natuwa ka ta. Kaluguran ka yan. Kung kapatid ko. Hanggang nadalas sa ada. Dakaw ka pa pa. Paano ka hindi. Kailangan mo kaluguran na ka, Tol. Happy birthday. Mag-celebrate ka na with birthday mo kayong January pa manili. Happy birthday. Love you.
Hi tonight. Happy birthday, kapatid. God bless.
Happy birthday, Lolo Anthony. I love you.
Happy birthday ulit, kapatid. Love you.
Happy birthday, Golden Boy.
Happy birthday, Koy. We love you.
Hi, Anthony. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best. Ang hiling ko lang ay good health at sana ay humaba pa ang iyong buhay. Mga 200 years old. Ayan. Pwede na ba yon? And then, sana ay kung ano man ang iyong kahilingan ay matupad. Dahil ang mabuting tao na kagaya mo ay pinagpapala. Happy birthday! Cheers!
Hi Tito, happy birthday. Sana nag-enjoy ka ngayong birthday mo and I hope you're happy as well. Because you deserve it, you deserve to have fun. I just wish you good health and please always take care of yourself. I love you po and God bless you. Miss you.
2, 3, via.
Happy birthday,
Happy
Tito
birthday,
Anthony. We
Mama.
love you.
Love you.
Mwah.
Happy birthday, Tito Anthony. I love you.
Hello po niyong tonight. Happy birthday po sa inyo. Enjoy your day po at mag-iingat po kayo palagi dyan. See you soon po.
Hello Tito, happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Tito. Ingat po kayo lagi dyan.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Lolo.
Happy birthday to Lolo.
We love you, Lolo.
I love you, Lolo.
I love you, Lolo.
I love you, Lolo.
Thank you, Lolo.
This is Lolo.
Thank you. Thank you. I love you, Lolo.
I love you, Lolo.
We love you.
I love you, Lolo.
We miss you, Lolo.
I miss you, Lolo.
Happy birthday.
Birthday, Lolo.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
I love you.
I love you.
Oh, flying kiss Lolo. Really, flying kiss Lolo. Where's Lolo? There's Lolo. Oh, flying kiss Lolo.
Hi, Abby. Happy birthday. I want you to know that you are the only person who could make me really happy. And you are also the only person who could make me really sad. You know why? because you rock my world. Well, I only have very simple wishes for your birthday. I want you to stay pogi, as you always are. And I want you to stay healthy because we have decades, not years. Decades to be together. So stay healthy, be blessed, and may you be embraced by God's love all the time. Happy birthday!
Night, happy birthday. Love you. God bless. Enjoy. Surprise! Happy birthday, kapatid. I love you. 3. Surprise! Happy birthday, bro. We love you. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye. Ta-ta for now.
Surprise, brother. Gotcha. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tito. Enjoy your day. Love you.
Anthony, many more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Fried chicken.
Pare, tonight, happy 50th birthday. Sana lagi kang masaya at more success in life and good health. Happy birthday, pare.
Happy 50th birthday, par Anthony Oronce. More blessings, good health, mimingat lagi yan.
Hello tonight. Happy 50th birthday to you. More birthdays to come. God bless.
Happy birthday, pare. More birthdays to come. Mimingat ka, Ken.
Happy 21st birthday, Mr. Anthony Rose! Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo! Cheers!
Hello. Happy birthday, Anthony. God bless and take care.
Anthony, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, pare ko. Kumusta ka yan?
Happy birthday!
50 ani.
Bap, happy birthday! More birthday pa! Happy birthday, Bap!
Okay na yan.
Pare.
Oh, pare. Happy birthday, pare. Nano pa.
Hello. Anthony, happy birthday, di. More blessings. Ingat. Love you.
Happy na, oh.
Happy birthday, night!
Happy birthday, boss, tonight. Happy 50 years birthday.
Wala na akong palo sabihin. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po. Miss ka na namin.
Happy birthday. Love, love.
Happy birthday, Uncle, tonight. I wish I could be there, but I am unfortunately at work. So I hope you have the best day celebrating, and I love you. I'll see you in like a month-ish.
Happy birthday, Tito. God bless po.
Happy birthday, Tony. More birthday to come. Love you.
Hey, brother from another mother. Happy birthday and have you happy, heavy morning, many, many more. How's that sound?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.